Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best beginner electronic drum set bundle out there, the DED-70 electric drum kit. Whether you're a parent looking for a gift or a young aspiring drummer eager to get started, this set checks nearly every box. Let's get into it. Right out of the box, the DED-70 screams value. This isn't just a drum kit, it's an entire beginner's bundle, crafted for players aged 6 to 14. You're getting a 7-piece set with 4 dual-layer mesh drum pads, 3 oversized 9-inch rubber cymbals, a solid metal rack, sound module, throne, headphones, drumsticks, and even access to online melodics lessons. For beginners, this is the full experience. No extra purchases needed to get started. The mesh pads deserve special attention. They're 6.5 inches in size, dual-layered, and ultra-quiet. Mesh pads are known for their responsive rebound, mimicking the feel of real acoustic drums without the noise that usually gets on everyone's nerves, especially in an apartment setting. At 9 inches each, they offer a generous striking surface and satisfying bounce, making practice more fun and immersive. Now let's talk sound. This kit includes 150 built-in sounds, 15 customizable drum kits, and 10 demo songs. That gives young drummers room to explore different genres, from rock and jazz to pop and funk, all without touching a real kit. The sounds are crisp, clean, and far better than what you'd expect at this price point. Plus, with USB MIDI connectivity, the DED-70 also works with digital audio workstations or drum software for those looking to take their creativity a step further. The playability of this kit is also outstanding. It supports both silent practice through the included headphones and loud jamming by connecting to external speakers. No problem. It's fully compatible with mobile devices and music apps, so you can build your timing and groove while having fun. One of the standout features is the design itself. The entire frame is collapsible and lightweight, making it ideal for smaller spaces. When folded, it measures just 24.4 by 10.6 by 35.4 inches. Easy to store in a closet or under a bed. And with height-adjustable components, it grows with the player, ensuring comfort and proper posture even as kids get older. The DED-70 also shines in portability. You can power it via a standard adapter or a USB Type-C power bank, which means you're not tied to a wall outlet. That's a major win for kids who might want to take it to a friend's house or even outdoors for some casual jamming. But what really pushes this drum kit over the top is the learning experience. Donner includes access to 40 virtual melodics lessons, a fantastic platform for beginner drummers. With real-time feedback, customizable practice drills, and progress tracking, it turns learning into a game. And since it's all software-based, there's no pressure, just fun, bite-sized steps to becoming a better drummer. To wrap it up, the Donner DED-70 isn't just an electronic drum set. It's an all-in-one gateway into the world of drumming. With solid build quality, great sounds, intuitive playability, and essential accessories included, it's one of the most complete beginner bundles you can buy right now. For kids aged 6 to 14, and even adults who just want a quiet practice option, this is hands down a winner. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest gear reviews, and drop your questions or thoughts in the comments below. This is Product Critique, helping you find the right gear every time. See you in the next one.